Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my YouTube channel. So today I thought I would share something different for you, and it's an altered light. So this is an existing light that I had at my house. However, recently I did the decor change. So everything from wall colors to the furniture that I had in the room, everything has changed. So the existing color of this light was not something that went well with what I had in mind as part of my new color scheme. So I decided that instead of buying new lights, I will alter these and make it more cohesive with my current decor. So what I do is I take up some CrafTangles chalk paint. Now CrafTangles chalk paint, since it's a chalk paint, it does not require any primer and it can stick to a lot of surfaces including glass. So I don't need any sanding, nothing, no primer, nothing. I directly take some snow white chalk paint by CrafTangles and I use this foam brush to start dabbing it on top of all the lights. Now since the base of the light is bright colors like yellow, red and blue, it took me 2 to 3 coats of chalk paint on each and every one of these lights. So adding plants in interior design these days is quite a rage, and that is the theme that I was going in my living room as well. And I had searched some ideas on Pinterest and I had come across a tons of lamps where they had added some hanging plants. Now I had decided to use this faux artificial plants which normally used for weddings. So these are plant hangings that you get for weddings. So I had decided to use this on my lamp. Now before doing that, since this is a decor piece and over the period of time it will catch dust, especially in India, and you tend to clean it, and the easiest way to clean it would be with a wet rag. And chalk paint normally does not erode. However, if you use a wet rag or if you scratch it, it will definitely come off from smooth surfaces like plastic, glass, etc., irrespective of the brand you use. So it is always better to seal your chalk paint whenever you are using it on furniture or any area where you feel that there will be a lot of wear and tear. So for this I had used Ecuador PU finish to add varnish on my lamps, and I have used 2 coats of the same. So once that was done, since wiring and everything is already connected to the lamp, so this is not a new lamp that I am using, it's an existing one, hence the wiring and everything is already attached to it and it's quite heavy. So what we are doing over here is my husband was holding the lamp for me while I used glue gun to stick those wall hangings on my lamp. And it's a fairly simple process, like you can see what he's doing. Just he is hanging the light to a height for me so that I can just go on sticking the plant across the circumference of the lamp. So that was it. I just repeated the process till the time I felt that I had enough greenery on each of the lamp. So in total I used 3 bunches, one for each of the lamp, and I'll share with you some of the photos of the after once I completed decorating and hanging the lamp. So this was the tutorial for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment and do consider subscribing. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.